Ready to launch your dream website without spending a dime on hosting? Stick around to discover how to host your WordPress site on Infinityfree, completely free. First things first, let's get you signed up with Infinityfree. Head over to Infinityfree.net and look for the Sign Up button. You'll need to enter your email address, choose a username for your hosting account, and create a strong password. Now, Infinityfree offers you a free subdomain. This means you'll have a web address like Yoursurnameiziki or Yoursurnamerg. Choose a username that's relevant to your website or your brand. You'll select your preferred domain extension from the drop-down menu. Once you've signed up, you'll be taken to your Infinityfree client area. This is your control panel here. You'll manage your website. You'll see an option to create account or something similar. Click on that. This action will take you to your hosting account within Infinityfree, which usually uses a panel interface. Look for the Softaculous apps installer or a similar section. This is where the magic happens for WordPress installation. Inside Softaculous, you'll find a wide range of applications, but we're interested in WordPress. Click on the WordPress icon. It's usually one of the most popular options. On the WordPress installation page, you'll need to configure a few things first. Select the domain you want to install WordPress on. Euro, that's your free subdomain we chose earlier. Then, you'll set your site title and a username and password for your WordPress admin area. Keep these secure. After filling in the details, hit the install button. Softaculous will do the rest, automatically installing WordPress on your hosting account. This usually takes just a minute or two. And just like that, your WordPress website is hosted. You'll see a success message and links to your website and your WordPress admin login. Now you can start building your online presence without any hosting costs.